Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out some new items. That is a little close-up of what one of the boxes looks like. So I'm going to jump in and kind of tell you guys just what I have very briefly, and then I'm going to go ahead and use one of the products. One of the main things they sell are colored contacts, so I'm really excited to try these out. I have put them in once just to kind of familiarize myself with it because I've never worn contacts before. So if you're someone in the same position and you're like, I don't think I could wear colored contacts, it is doable. It just takes some getting used to. So I'm gonna kind of open this up and give you a little peek. Now I got the gray, it's called Glam Gray, and they are in solution, but it's just a little contact lens and they look kind of weird. My eyes did tend to water the first time that I put them in, so I am gonna go ahead and put the contact lenses in first. So I'm gonna give you guys a good look at my eye color. Mine are like a dark green, but it's got little flecks of like golden in it too, so they can come off kind of hazily, but to me they are like a forest dark green. So it just kind of like formed to my finger there, but that's what the lens looks like. And let's pop it in. Okay, the contacts are in and this is what they look like. It almost comes off as like a greenish gray in my eyes, but that would stand to reason. So yeah, they look kind of creepy almost to me in a way, but I also love it. So my eyes did water quite a bit, but then I went ahead and did my foundation. I did some contouring, bronzer, blush, and highlight. So I'm pretty much ready to go. I kept it pretty simple, nothing like crazy there. So I'm going to use some of their other products, and I will link these down below as well, along with all the other products and of course their link, and I believe I have a coupon code for you as well. The next thing I'm going to pull out is they also sent me their Perfecting Eyebrow Brush. I showed all of this in a vlog, but in case you didn't see that, it's actually a pencil. Again, the packaging is just really sleek on this. You've got one side, which is kind of like your triangular angle, almost like brow definer, and then a spoolie on the other end. So I am now going to quickly do my brows. I can't remember the name of the color. I think it was something coffee related because I remembered that, but I will definitely, I'll put it here on the screen and I'll link it down below as well. This color is actually really great for me. I love it because it's the right depth, but it's not too reddish brown. Sometimes I find that the browns that are the right depth for me can be a little like auburnish almost, but this one is really nice. It's like not super cool brown, but it's definitely not too warm either. Alright, the brows are on. I do like the pencil. My favorite thing about it is the color. I feel like it's just a really good one. The formula of the pencil is pretty good. It's a little bit more like the MAC eyebrow pencil in the formulation. The way it glides on, it's slightly drier. It works out really well, and it is nice for like little hair strokes. The triangular tip on it is easy to use. So all in all, not a bad brow pencil. I also have magnetic lashes and a eyeliner from them, but first I'm going to quickly do some eyeshadow. So I'm just going to grab my handy dandy Modern Renaissance, and I'm just going to do something pretty simple. I don't really need anything dramatic, so I'm going to dip into Tempera right there, and this is just laying down a base for me because I evened all that out. I'm going to dip into Warm Taupe right there. Now I'm going to use Cypress Lumber up here, and I'm going to put that in the outer corner and a little bit into the crease. I'm going to take Primavera and lightly put that on my lids. The eyeliner is called the Ultra Defining Eyeliner. It's got a felt tip. It's a little bit of a bigger tip, as you can see there. Let's try it out. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of red ochre and put that under my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna pop on a little Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara. The last thing I'm trying out is the Iris Beauty Magnetic Eyelash Extensions. Here is the box. Let's pull them out. Ooh, a little box. And this is what the box looks like. And you've got little bitty lashes. Now these are longer than the ones I've seen before. So I think I tried one and they were like very narrow. So they didn't cover enough space to make it look kind of realistic. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit and go ahead and place this lash. That really grabbed super quickly. So that doesn't look bad. The only thing, I'm having trouble getting it close enough to the base of my eyelashes. The application is not hard. It's the placement that I'm having the most trouble with. So it's like finding a way to get them very, very close to the base of your lashes. I really feel like these magnets are almost too strong. Like it'll grab it before I have a chance to actually get it to the base of my lashes. That one's actually a lot better. So I went like from below instead of going in, and I can see some fullness there. And I may get the hang of it the more that I do this, because that time was quite easy and compared to the first time. Okay, well I gave it a really good try. It's the inner part on both that are having a little bit more trouble. Okay, last try. It's getting frustrating. Alright, so that is it for this eye transformation and my new Iris Beauty goodies. I would have to say the magnetic eyelashes, I still don't know if they are for me. This one doesn't look too bad, but it's just getting the right placement was a little bit of a pain, and because I didn't get them close enough to the base of my eyelash, I can literally like see where the magnets are. If you have any tips for getting the placement right, then let us know below. And other than that, I liked everything. The contacts, I will just take some getting used to, getting them in and out. But right now I have to say I really like the look that I get. I did like the brow pencil, and the eyeliner was surprisingly good, and it's got almost this like vinyl finish, which I like. It's not shiny, but it's not super matte, and I tend to like that kind of finish in a liquid liner. The tip I thought was going to be a little bit big, but it really did well, so I have no complaints in that department. But I will link everything down below if you want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and please do subscribe. That will help me out so much. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.